I'm Xenowave, and today I'm going to show you how I made this sound. Okay, operator 1 is just a square wave. Operator 2 is a square wave with even turned on, and I have an LFO on the phase as well, and it's global, but it won't look like that when you do it. When you do it, it'll look like this. So what you do is delete that, and put this point either here or here, depending on you, and adjust the speed to your liking. And for the volume, I am controlling the envelope. I have this shape here, and I'm looping it. So I made this shape first, and then clicked on loop start for the first point, and then clicked on sustain/loop end for the last point to get this shape going. And for the frequency ratio, I put it on 1 because I like the way 1 sounded over 2, 4, or 8. And I have this volume knob here at 75%. And if you change this, actually, it could drastically change the timbre. So, for example, so I liked it right there. And that's it for the operators. So in the filter matrix, filter 1 is a vanilla low pass that is on single mode, high quality, default cutoff, no resonance, and the cutoff is being routed to mod X. And for the FX, I have no chorus, but I have default delay on. And that's it. That's the sound. If you don't like the high end, you can oversample a bit. This is what it sounds like. Versus this. And you can my computer handle this? I hope so. It did. Cool. Sometimes when I go to like 8, it just freaks out. But yeah, that's the sound. If you have any questions, let me know. Have an awesome Friday. Bye-bye.